My life has gone away, quietly after 100 days. This secret she has always said she won't stay for more than what she can repay. I can still hear her say that I'm of her tender play. The day she let me kiss her was a display of love to those she betrayed. How can I put someone to the test when I thought I got the best? Until the taste of bitterness and I regret, but still I won't detest the love I can't forget, like someone who has left. How can I leave someone for the rest when I am facing the best? Until the taste of treachery and I regret, but still I won't detest. Oh, I can never get like someone I once met.